Planning an international move can feel overwhelming. You're not only packing up your home, you're also dealing with customs paperwork, shipping timelines, port coordination, packing requirements, storage, and delivery in another country. That's where a full-service international relocation provider like Bluemove International Relocation can help. In this video, we'll explain what Bluemove offers, what affects international moving costs, and how to plan a smoother overseas move. Bluemove International Relocation is described by three movers as a full-service international moving and move management company. Their services can include packing, storage, shipping logistics, customs coordination, and destination delivery support for individuals, families, and corporate relocations. For international moves, Three Movers notes that Bluemove relocation costs typically range from $5,500 to $12,000, depending on destination, container size, customs clearance, packing services, and shipment details. Average delivery timelines may range from 3 to 7 weeks, with tracking and port coordination for routes to places like Europe, Asia, and South America. One of the biggest parts of an international move is packing. Overseas shipments often travel through multiple handling points, so proper packing matters. Bluemove services may include professional packing, careful wrapping, export crating, and unpacking once your shipment arrives at the destination. This is especially helpful if you're moving fragile items, family furniture, electronics, artwork, or anything that needs extra protection during a long journey. Storage can also be important during an international move. Sometimes your move-out date and move-in date don't line up perfectly. Maybe your shipment arrives before your new home is ready, or maybe you need extra time before final delivery. Three Movers explains that Bluemove offers both short-term and long-term storage options, which can help when timing does not line up perfectly during relocation. Customs is one of the biggest differences between a domestic move and an international one. Your shipment may require inventory lists, import forms, customs clearance, restricted item checks, and destination-specific paperwork. Three Movers notes that Bluemove generally coordinates customs documentation and destination delivery through local agents, while customers remain responsible for things like visas, residency permits, and restricted item compliance. That kind of guidance can help reduce confusion during a move across borders. If you're moving with pets, the process can be even more detailed. Different countries may have vaccination rules, health certificate requirements, import timelines, or quarantine regulations. Three Movers says Bluemove provides assistance with arranging safe pet transport according to international regulations, including details like vaccinations, health certificates, and transportation coordination. International moving costs depend on your shipment volume, destination country, shipping method, customs fees, storage needs, and whether you choose door-to-door or port service. Ocean freight is usually slower, while air freight is faster, but often much more expensive. Three Movers notes that typical transit times can run 4 to 8 weeks for ocean freight and 7 to 14 days for air freight, excluding possible customs delays. If you're planning an overseas move, the best next step is to request a quote based on your destination, inventory, packing needs, shipping method, and delivery timeline. Visit Three Movers to learn more about Bluemove International Relocation and compare international moving options.